Hi everyone. Hope everyone's having a great evening. Nice, peaceful, relaxed moment. Thanks for joining me. I got my Blick art supplies and I thought I'd do an unboxing, share it with all of you. Maybe you can share down below in a comment how you've used the item. Okay, let's open the box. Be right back. So I've removed the airbags. So let's see what's in the box. Light molding paste. GAC 400. GAC 200. A lot of GAC. GAC 900. GAC 800. Some gloss medium. Some more fiber paste. Some paper clay. And the canvas. This is a 4x5. 8x8 12 pack. Two packs of 4x5. What's this? Yes. Great. Got everything. There they are. So I got my canvases. I got my GAC. I got another haul coming from Blick with the rest of my items. And I'll share that with you as well if you're interested. Thank you for coming by, watching my video, see what I got from Blick. Have yourself a great evening and see you soon. So look at Mania, wishing you all well. Stay safe. Bye for now.